Hello friends. So today we are going to start a very new topic which is demand function, and in the previous videos we were discuss about different kinds of determinants of demand like price of related commodities, price of own commodity, income of the consumer, consumer expectations and taste and preferences and so on. So in this video we will discuss about demand function. This topic is quite interesting and quite easy. So as we know already about the demand, so let's start. What is the meaning of function? Now, function is nothing but a symbolic statement of a relationship between two variables. Function is what? Function is a symbolic statement of a relationship between two variables. Now here, variables can be dependent and interdependent, or interdependent variables, or we can say that explanatory variables. Okay, so what is function? Function is a symbolic statement of relationship between two variables where variables can be where one variable is dependent and other is interdependent, or we can say it explanatory. Now we'll see about what is demand function. Now demand function, that as we know that function is a symbolic statement of relationship between dependent and interdependent variables. Now in demand we talk about the demand of a particular product and its determinants. So the relationship between demand for a product and its determinant is called demand function. Demand for a product is a dependent variable and its determinants is interdependent variable, or we can say explanatory variable. So what we learned that function, what is function? Function is a symbolic statement of a relationship between the variables where one variable is dependent and the other variable is interdependent, or we can say explanatory variable. And what is demand function? It is a relationship between the demand for a product and its determinants, where demand for a product is a dependent variable. As we know that demand of any particular product depends on its determinants. Determinants are what? Consumer income, price of own commodity, price of related goods, which is complementary goods and substitute goods. We already know about complementary and substitute goods. So relationship between demand for a product and its determinant is demand function. Now demand function, as we know that function is a symbolic statement. So demand function may be expressed as this, in this way. This is demand for a product demand. This is price of own commodity. These all are determinants. Price of own commodity, income. We always represent income by the symbol of Y, and PR is price of related goods. Price of related goods consists of price of complementary goods and price of substitute goods. Okay. Now T is taste and preferences of the consumer. Okay. According to this product, because at one time we can only determine the demand of a particular product. Okay. As we studying about micro, so A is advertising expenditure. These all are advertising expenditure is consist in other determinants of demand. So what is demand function? Demand function is a relationship between demand for a particular product and its determinants, where demand for a product is dependent and its determinants is interdependent, and we can say it explanatory variables. Okay. Demand function is symbolically represented as this way, where this is product, demand of a product, price of own commodity, income, price of related goods, taste and preferences, and advertisement expenditure. Okay. Now let's summarize once again that what is function? Function is a symbolic statement of a relationship between two variables where one variable is dependent and other is interdependent, or we can say explanatory. And what is demand function? Relationship between demand for a product and its determinant, and we can show demand function like this. Okay, so this is for it for this video. We done with demand function. In the next video we will discuss about how to represent the demand function in the equation and how to solve it and what is the relationship, what is the inverse demand function, everything. So till then, bye bye.